I'm feeling a little better today. I'll be right back. I'm kind of relieved. I got so happy, I guess, when I got to the interstate. You know, signs of civilization again. We got on the interstate and we got going, and I put on the cruise control and we just cruised and turned the radio on. And I never thought that during that long stretch back from Ely to Delta, turning the radio on, that might have helped. Never occurred to me. I don't listen to it much. Anyway, I'm gonna grab some supplies here. I need office supplies, pet supplies, case of water, a few things with food. We're pretty good there. We're gonna head here out of Richfield. Gonna continue on Highway 50, but it merges with Interstate 70, so we'll be on the interstate for a while. We're not going out of town far. I think I found a place to camp free for up to 14 days that has good cell service. We just might set up there for a little while. It's not far, so. And there's going to be another long stretch. I think I'll be a little more prepared this time. I just wasn't ready for that one stretch. I've never been in an area so desolate, and maybe it happened on the wrong day and I was in the wrong mood, but it really, I don't know. There's gonna be more of that ahead, and I'll be better prepared for it next time. Anyway, I'm gonna grab some things and be back. Well, ready or not, I got everything. Hang on here. Hey, Bella. Hello, Bella. Hi, Bella. What are you doing, girl? Huh? You ready to go? We'll go somewhere. Right. She's ready. Hi. Are you ready to go? Huh? Oh. Are we ready to go? I don't know if you can see behind me or not, or what these canyons will start revealing. I don't know if you can see the red in the hillside back there or not. But it's mainly what I came to Utah for. Was to see all the red rock canyons and mesas and bluffs, whatever they all are. We're gonna go. I think I'm plenty of stocked up. We got plenty of food, plenty of water. Even if we break down out in the middle of nowhere, we'll be able to survive for quite a while. Come on, you ready? Get in your seat. You ready? Okay, that no services thing, you know, for 100 miles or whatever, I'm so over that now. I just wasn't prepared. I'm okay with it now. Sometimes the best laid plans go south. Many of you know I have to have connectivity to work. This was supposed to have the review said a strong AT&T signal and a strong Verizon signal. I have neither. And this is a pretty nice place. I'm not even getting out of my chair. We're getting right back on the road. What is it? It's cows. What do you see? You see something? There's cows right in front of us. I see it. There's a cow there, and there's another one over there. I can't quite see it because of the bushes, but there's one cow. We would have camped with the cows. In a spot, it's a big circle. There's some shade to be had. Okay. We have ourselves a spot with some shade. There's a picnic table right outside. There's a fire ring. Yeah, in the shade. It's a nice breeze. Cows. Next services are, not that we need services, but there's rest areas along the way. I wasn't planning on driving 100 miles today. But if I have to get into that area to get services, we'll have to find a new place to stay too. I thought this was a slam dunk, according to the reviews. Free camping for up to 14 days. Nice self-service. This was supposed to be it wasn't to be. So we'll move on. Dang it. Say goodbye to the cow. Alright. See you next time. stopped at the rest area. Or give Bella a chance to do her thing if she needed to. She took advantage of the opportunity. Come on, get out of that. But don't worry about what the other dogs were doing here. Definite change of scenery. That barren desert was just... This is so much better. Come on, girl. Come on, get up out of that. I thought maybe we'll stay... Heck, what the heck? Maybe we'll stay at a rest area for the afternoon and evening. Overnight it. Still no cell service. When they say no services for 100 and some miles, usually that means stores and gas stations. I mean cell service too. All right, come on, girl. Come on, forget about what those other dogs were doing here. Come on, quit. It's just a little bit more, she says. Come on, get up out of there. Might be snakes or something. I don't know where we're gonna end up tonight. Even with no cell service, I can't investigate what's ahead, so we'll just go till we find something or get cell service and can research something. Well, we've come across what's called salt wash viewing area along the interstate. Sometimes you can see nice things along the interstate. Why it's called salt wash, I don't know. It's a pretty incredible view up here. In these rock formations. Here. It must be like a soft sandstone, I guess, because there's lots of carving. Yeah, it feels sandy. It's definitely sandstone. But look how it's pretty cool how the probably just wind and rain, just the elements erode it so easily. Yeah, don't get me wrong, from the last video, I love being out in the country, but that was just so desolate. It was just nuts. There wasn't a fence line. I mean, at least even in West Texas and North Dakota, you'd see a ranch every so often and some livestock and fencing, and there was nothing. I don't even think they put mile markers along that stretch. No sign, just nothing. It's crazy. Here there's better scenery and beautiful canyons and you know, trees, and we have seen cows, and I don't know. So it's another 60, yeah, we're probably about halfway or better, about 60 miles to Green River, Utah, and it's actually not much further to Colorado. And Denver, I think Denver's 400 miles away, but that's well into Colorado. Maybe we'll just pass Moab, go into Colorado for a bit. I don't know what we're doing. Anyway, speaking of not knowing what I'm doing, I don't know where we're staying tonight. Still no cell signal. I'll just wrap this up here for now, and we'll be back once we find some place to stay or something to do. We're gonna drive a little bit more today, but that's it. Thanks for coming along. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.